Hello Barn Gang, and welcome to this month's travels. This month, we are headed to the state of Oregon, our 33rd state. Oregon is a state in the Pacific Northwest region of the United States. It is a part of the western U.S., with the Columbia River delineating much of Oregon's northern boundary with Washington, while the Snake River delineates much of its eastern boundary with Idaho. The 42 degrees north parallel delineates the southern boundary with California and Nevada. The western boundary is formed by the Pacific Ocean. Oregon has been home to many indigenous nations for thousands of years. The first European traders, explorers, and settlers began exploring what is now Oregon's Pacific coast in the early to mid-16th century. The Lewis and Clark expedition traversed Oregon in the early 1800s, and the first permanent European settlements in Oregon were established by fur trappers and traders. In 1843, an autonomous government was formed in the Oregon Country, and the Oregon Territory was created in 1848. Oregon became the 33rd state of the U.S. on February 14, 1859. Oregon is also one of the most geographically diverse states in the U.S., marked by volcanoes, abundant bodies of water, dense evergreen and mixed forests, as well as high deserts and semi-arid shrublands. Oregon's economy has historically been powered by various forms of agriculture, fishing, logging, and hydroelectric power. Oregon is the top lumber producer of the contiguous U.S., with the lumber industry dominating the state's economy during the 20th century. Technology is another one of Oregon's major economic forces, beginning in the 1970s with the establishment of the Silicon Forest and the expansion of Tektronix and Intel. Sportswear company Nike Incorporated, headquartered in Beaverton, is the state's largest public corporation. The capital of Oregon is Salem, and its largest city is the city of Portland. Oregon's state bird is the vibrant western lark. The state tree is the Douglas fir. And the state flower of Oregon is the unusual Oregon grape. A few inventions that come out of the state of Oregon is the Phillips screwdriver, a necessary building product, plywood, the modern internet site Wiki, Big League chewing gum, and good old tater tots. An interesting fact about Oregon is that it has more ghost towns than any other state. Some famous people that call Oregon home is Bing Crosby, Lindsay Wagner, and the 34th President of the United States, Herbert Hoover. Well, Barn Gang, it's time to head home until we head out once again for the Barn Gang travels.